Sarah, Brent, dozens of people gathered outside the Connecticut Supreme Court airing frustration over what they're calling just a lack of accountability in the Bridgeport ballot scandal. And they fear that if nothing is done, it will only erode trust in the overall election process. As the Connecticut Supreme Court weighs in on whether citizen arrest should be legal in Bridgeport, people on both sides of the political aisle are making their voices heard.
We were in the Connecticut Supreme Court arguing for we the people because law enforcement is not doing their job.
Dozens descended outside the Connecticut State Capitol in Hartford Wednesday morning for a We the People rally pushing for election integrity.
This is a nonpartisan issue. I know there's Democrats as well as Republicans, as well as unaffiliated. There's people in general that are upset with what's going on, and some of that showed in the turnout 2 years ago. The turnout was lower than normal. People don't want to get out because they don't think their vote counts. And that's wrong.
The group says voters deserve to see accountability in the Bridgeport ballot scandal, calling for criminal charges to be filed against 2 people accused of ballot harvesting.
We need some action done. Everybody knows about Wanda the ballot stuffer, not only in Connecticut and across the country, but around the world. And she has not been held accountable.
They say elected officials have done more to cover up the alleged ballot stuffing captured on surveillance video than fix the problem.
What do they want to hide? The city of Bridgeport has spent thousands, if not $10,000s of dollars on a forensic IT expert now to track down the person who leaked the videos from the Margaret Morton Government Center in Bridgeport. Haven't spent a dime to arrest the people who were responsible for an election being thrown out.
And they want to see resolution before the next election.
We want our votes counted and counted properly. What happened in Bridgeport is a clear example of our votes not counting.
The group also takes issue with being called vigilantes by the state attorney general for wanting to take the law in their own hands. They feel they need to take action because they can't rely on the justice system to hold bad actors to account. Brent, Sarah?